Hello YouTube, this is Dawn from hzscribe, and I am here today with another scripture writing. So we are in the beginning of June. We just finished up with June 5th, so we are moving forward after that. So I just want to say thank you for stopping by, checking out my channel, seeing what's going on over here, getting your day started off right. I pray that you are reading the word, and I am just going to put a little bit of white out as I normally do, because this is an altered album. I got it for 60% off, hey, at Michael's. This is a recollection planner, and that's one of the ways if you're trying to be thrifty, and it's a great way to save some money. And I'm going to write out those dates because those dates do not correspond with where we are at or the month. As you can see, that said November 21. This is June 22. I thought it would be a great way to do that would be to just alter this. So I am going to put this on fast forward, write my scriptures out, and decorate, and then come back and summarize. Alright, so we are done, and so I'm going to read the scriptures for this week. We're in Proverbs and Ecclesiastes, and then we are going to sum it up. So for the 6th, it was Proverbs 20:13, and love not sleep, lest thou come to poverty. Open thine eyes, and thou shalt be satisfied with bread. Proverbs 23:12, apply thine heart unto instruction, and thine ears to the word of knowledge. Proverbs 25:21, if thine enemy be hungry, give him bread to eat, and if he be thirsty, give him water to drink. Proverbs 30:16, the grave and the bare womb, the earth that is not filled, water and fire, that saith not, it is enough. And then Ecclesiastes 1:8, all things are full of labor, man cannot utter it. The eyes is not satisfied with seeing, nor the ear filled with hearing. Ecclesiastes 5:2, be not rash with thy mouth, and let not thine heart be hasty to utter anything before God, for God is in heaven, and thou upon earth. Therefore let thy words be few. Ecclesiastes 9:7, go thy way, eat thy bread with joy, and drink thy wine with a merry heart, for God now accepted thy works. So I use my little stamps, colored in certain words, as you can see. And of course I will have an IG post up of that. Hoping you guys have an awesome week. I'm behind on my postings, but this will be up soon. And thank you so much for taking the time to stop by, check out my channel. But most importantly, I thank you for you reading your word. That's what's most important, is developing your relationship with God, especially in these unknown, wicked times. So take care, God bless, and I dare you to read your word. Bye-bye.